Upgrade your griddle game with the complete lineup of Char-Griller's flat iron accessories. Get your hands on all the tools you need to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner in your own backyard on the flat iron griddle. Whether this is your very first griddle or you're already a seasoned griddler, it's important to properly season and maintain your flat iron's cooking surface. And now it's easier than ever with Char-Griller's proprietary flat iron griddle conditioner and cast iron seasoning. Whip your crew up a full American breakfast of pancakes, bacon, eggs, and more with the flat iron breakfast kit and silicone egg rings. Win over the tailgate with classic game day food favorites like smash burgers, brats, or quesadillas. For dinner, why not spoil friends and family with some surf and turf, stir fry, or even homemade cheesesteaks? Your griddle takes good care of you, so it's important to take good care of your griddle. The flat iron cleaning kit, grease cup liners, and griddle scraper make it easy to keep your griddle in tip-top shape, meal after meal, for years to come. Get your Char-Griller flat iron accessories and get griddling today. Char-Griller, seriously hardworking grills.